Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how do I archive Outlook emails to external hard drive. So first thing, just simply open up an Outlook and go to the left side over here and select file. And here, just simply go for the options down below and just simply go ahead and go for the advanced. And here you will have auto archive. So just simply select auto archive settings. And from here, you could run on auto archive. So just simply check this one. And after that, you could select a days. And you will have here multiple options. So from here, guys, you will have move old items to. So from here, just simply select browse. And now, guys, just simply select your new location, which is your hard drive. Just simply go ahead and select a folder that you want to have your archive location with. And after that, guys, just simply select OK once you have created a location. After that, just simply select OK over here and select OK. And after that, guys, just simply go to the file again on the top left and go for the tools and go for the mail cleanup. And from here, you should be able to see auto archive. So when you click on auto archive, you should be able to archive it into the location that we set earlier. There you go. See ya.